Right guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's AK. I hope you're all doing well. We're off on another ride today, going to Wales to a place called Devil's Staircase. It's supposed to be a very scenic, very beautiful place, but we'll see when we get there. It's a Sunday afternoon, well, just gone afternoon on a Sunday. And the weather is alright today, it's not bad, good riding conditions. So yeah, let's get into the video. I hope you enjoy. Subscribe if you're new. Leave a thumbs up. Leave a comment. If you want to chat some shit, I'll get back to you. I'll chat some shit back. So yeah, I'll see you guys after the intro.
Okay, let's ride.
I don't know what this bike is. Electric bike or something. No? There you go. Alright, and let's fill this little beast up. That's so heavy. I'll put it inside. Come on, laddie. Authorize the pump, lad. There you go. Right, that bike I was saying slow down. I wonder what for and what's happened. Ah, Policia. Hello, please. What's happened to him? Alright, horses. Right there. It's a nice old bike. Classic. Fair play. He's getting nervous on that bike, actually. Yeah. just stopped for a little break, stretch my legs, and I've just found this bench with this, I don't know what to call it, waterfall little one, maybe. Pretty nice spot for a break. Right folks, I think we're near enough here now. Pheasant! Get out the road! Oh my god, look at these fuckers. Run, 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 run. Yeah. More pheasant. Whee. What is that, duck? How many pheasants around here, man? I'm scared to pick up any speed because there's a dead pheasant there, that's why. Exactly. I don't want to be speeding around here. That's just cruising it. Take it easy. And another dead pheasant. And another one. That's 3 dead pheasants. Right then, are we going left or are we going right? We are going up. Right, let's check out what this devil staircase is about. Oh god. Should be fun. Doesn't sound too appealing. The devil's staircase. Ooh. What are you doing, man? Sheep! Another sheep. Got a car coming up, so I think I might as well slow it down here. This car pass, yep, let him pass. Perfect. And we have a cattle grid, so this is probably the start of it. Okay, let's do this devil's staircase. Oh shit, you gotta be careful around here. You don't want to come off that. What a road. Wow. Keep it going then. Come on, bud. Yeah, man. You carry on, my man. You know the roads. We shall just relax and cruise around here, my friend. Relax and cruise. Right, bud? Yeah, man. So it's quite a popular spot then with the bikers as well. Oops, thank you. Cheers. So let's just keep it first then. Yep, first gear will do. Right, there we go. First hairpin. Yep, this is definitely the Devil's Staircase. As you can see, plenty hairpins. Ooh. Yep, this is it. So this is the Devil's Staircase. Watch out for the cars, really. Oh, my hand is killing. I don't know why. Devil's Staircase, eh? Okay. Let's have a look at. Oh, I've got no sat nav at all. So that was the way we came. This is up there and that's down there. So I think we're going down there then, folks, to the nature reserve, I think it is. Yep, let's just swing this baby around. Park up for a sec, have a little break. Yep, we're going to Dinas Nature Reserve, which is 8 miles down that way. Yep, that's where we're going next. Sure. There we go. Alright then. Break time. Can you hear that? Fuck all. Silence. Peaceful. That's why we come to these kind of places, isn't it? Get a bit of peace. Here's the parking spot then, lads. Yeah, this is the place. Would you look at that? Wow, look at that, man. Look at that. Right, it's 4:15. I think I better turn around from here because I don't really want to be riding back in the dark, and even if I carry on now I will be riding back in the dark, so yeah, let's go back. Right then. Yeah, people can get around me because there's a passing place and I gotta get a photo right of that. Oh shit, this bike's on me not too much. That's there. That's it. Sounds absolutely amazing. Woo! Look at them views, man. Amazing. Alright, my man. Wow. Look at that. Wow, look at this. Nice. And spooky. Till the next one, stay safe.